Nagbabalik po ang Rotary in Action at ito po muli si Past District Governor June Falcon. And moving on to our PCRG Corner, napakaswerte natin ngayong gabi because tonight we will be joined by a governor who came all the way from Pagsanghan, Laguna.
Yes, Pagsanghan.
Pagsanghan, Laguna. A past district governor from District 3820. And presently, he is a member of the board of directors of the Philippine College of Rotary Governors. And at the same time, he is also the incumbent treasurer ng PCRG. So ito ay aking kasamahan sa PCRG. So let's all welcome past District Governor Dennis Suño. Good evening, Gov. Dennis. Bumati ka naman.
Good evening, Chairman June. Thank you for giving me this evening to share with you my little time. I would like to also to greet all the TV watchers, especially my wife Angie, who's watching us now. Angie, good evening. And of course, to the members of RC Pagsanghan and District 3820, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Akala ko babatiin mo na rin si Governor Jojo de Guia, ang iyong
Of course.
governor. Siyempre,
Yung
nanonood dyan.
Good evening, Gov. Jojo. At of course, to spouse Vilma, good evening din po.
Okay, Gov. Dennis, tayong dalawa ay naglilingkod ngayon bilang PCRG board members.
Right,
I
right.
remember, it was 1 year ago when we were elected, ano? And you are representing District 3820 at ako naman I represent District 3800. Ngayon, at the same time, you are the treasurer at ako naman I was elected as chairman. Okay, sa inyo bang distrito, can you tell us, paano ka ba nagiging representative ng inyong distrito sa PCRG board? So, and then, pag-usapan din natin, paano ba tayo na-elect nung 1 year ago? Napakabilis, ng
Bilis
panahon.
na, oo. Parang kailan lang. Anyway, in District 3820, there is a rule of succession. So I am following the district governor who became board member last year, and that's past District Governor Ray Castillo, who was the district governor before me. So that's
Anong
the
year
way
ka ba naging district governor?
I became district governor in year 2012-2013.
Aha.
And I was, and before me, it was Governor Ray Castillo.
Who served your district 2011,
2011, 2012.
And
Right.
ikaw naman ay maglilingkod sa PCRG board ng Rotary Year
14.
2014-2015. So tayo ang magkasabay.
Right, right.
At yan ang kagandahan sa PCRG because we have representatives coming from the 10 districts.
Tama. 10 distrito.
Oh, at sino naman na nag-elect ng mga officers ng PCRG?
Well, the members of the board from the 10 different districts elect the officers.
Officers.
So from the chairman down to the
Vice chairman.
chairman, to the vice, to the three
Chair.
vices.
Oh, 3 vices.
And of
Metro
course, the
Manila,
secretary- yeah.
Visayas and Mindanao at saka Luzon.
Right. And of course, secretary, treasurer,
PRO,
and
at
PRO.
saka Sergeant at Arms, meron
Yes.
rin na, at saka auditor. Okay, dahil nabanggit natin it was parang naalala ko pa inelect lang tayo ngayon mag-iisang taon na tayo. Ano
Wala.
ba yun? Ano ba yung mga naging activities na nga natin, Governor Dennis? Alam mo, napakabilis. Ano ba yung pinag-umpisahan natin? Siyempre.
Well, there were a lot of planning before we even started. We had to meet several times, and of course, one of the concerns we had then was funding. So one of the first things that, of course, you as an avid golfer, you decided to have a golf fundraising, which you have been doing, in fact, for the past several years, and that coincided with your birthday last
September.
September. So yun sa mga una nating activities. And of course, that was the planning, of course. And of course, before we started the year, we had to be inducted.
Ayun.
And,
So it all starts with the induction.
Yes, yes.
Saan na ito ginawa, yung ating induction? Sa
Of
Resort
course,
World, ano?
who can forget Resorts World?
Tapos,
Genting
Club.
Club in Resorts World, Manila. That was a very,
Well-attended.
well-attended and well-prepared induction.
Joint induction.
I remembered we even danced that evening.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yun ang pinagmamalaki namin ni Gov. Dennis. Ito para sa mga susunod na members ng PCRG. Alam mo, ang inyong term ay 1 taon lamang at isa sa mga highlights yan ay sana kayo ay magkapagbigay ng isang special number during the joint induction. At kami ni Gov. Dennis ay mga veterano kami ng isang sayaw, ano? At ang aming sinayaw ay hip-hop,
Hip-hop.
modern dance, just to show that PCRG is keeping up with the times. Okay, I know that it's very difficult for the 10 districts, di ba, to be represented in the PCRG. Ikaw, coming from District 3820, alam ko napaka-challenging nung ating mga ginagawa sa PCRG kasi you're coming all the way from Pagsangan, Laguna, every time
3.5 hours drive to
3.5
Manila.
hours drive. Yung iba nating kasamahan, hindi ba? Merong taga Zamboanga, si James Makasyar, si Tess Navales, taga Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, ano?
Right.
Na sila ay lumilipad pa just to be with us. Si Digna Ragasa, PDG Digna Ragasa. From Bigan, who travels all the way from Bigan just to be with us to attend our meeting. And napakahirap, ano? It's really a great sacrifice to serve dito sa PCRG. Ikaw ba, ano bang iyong masasabi sa iyong role as board and treasurer?
Well, to be a member of the board is first of all an honor. It's not, you're not being picked just like that. You have to become district governor first to become a member of the board. So, it's a great honor. And of course, with the honor, of course, comes responsibility. So, hindi naman siguro pwedeng member ka ng board, tapos nakaupo ka lang, nanonood lang. So, I feel that I had to be a very cooperative member of the board. A board member who is also a good follower of the chairman.
Ayun.
Yun ang ano doon.
Parang may leadership,
Oo, magaling talaga
requirement.
si Chairman Jun. He's one great leader and we truly appreciate the leadership and we know that he did so much for PCRG during this Rotary year.
And nabanggit mo yung funding dahil ikaw ang ating treasurer. Nahirapan ba tayo sa pagpopondo ng ating mga projects?
Alam nyo, ito yata ang pinakamadaling trabaho ko this year, yung treasurer. Kasi po, itong aming chairman, he made it so easy for us. Para ba ang dali? Of course, we had our own personal contributions, but I think the chairman himself overdid himself in the fundraising campaign. And we didn't have any problem at all in terms of funding for the rest of our year in PCRG.
Siguro ang tamang term doon, Gov. Dennis, we really had teamwork. And everybody participated. That's why we did not have any hard time funding our projects.
Yes,
okay,
yes.
Gov, yung last activity natin, you played an important role, yung Philippine Rotary Concerns. Ikaw ang nagpasaya. Kasi ikaw ang MC nung huling part ng fellowship. Naalala ko
And
yun.
Angie as well.
And Angie, kayong dalawa.
Yeah,
Husband and wife tandem.
Oo nga.
Meron pa ba tayong mga, alam mo, ang term natin hanggang June 30. From now until June 30, meron pa tayong mga board meetings at saka meron pa tayong mga yung tinatawag nating out-of-town board meetings, yung on to Bigan. Ikaw ba sasama doon sa ating May 14, 15, 16, 17?
Of course naman, Gob. I don't want to miss this last few activities of PCRG. Going to Vigan to the north, me coming from South Luzon is, it's really fellowship. It's really fun to be outside Manila and Southern Luzon. So I really look forward to that day in Vigan and in also Baguio with PDG Digna and Oyan and Jesnik Tao.
Jesnik Tao.
Mga host natin doon sa Norte.
And hindi lang ito sa PCRG board, this is open to members of PCRG who would like to join us in going to Bigan. Ang pangalan ng ating activity ay On to Bigan and Beyond.
And beyond,
ang pwede natin masabi ay ililibre natin yung pamasahe, transportation. Sagot na ng PCRG, pero
galing
kanya-kanyang
talaga.
hotel. Kanya-kanyang hotel, kanya-kanyang hotel.
Good.
And of course, dahil sa tayo ay outgoing na, meron na tayong mga kasunod, and we will live up to the incoming board yung planning for the next calendar of activities of PCRG. So, dyan natin masasabi na talagang tayo ay paalis na dahil meron nang susunod sa atin.
We are wrapping things up this year.
Okay, siguro pasalamatan natin, Gov. Dennis, lahat ng ating mga nakasama at naging katulong sa PCRG.
Of course,
upang maging
si
successful
PDG Sid Garcia of
Yan.
District 3830.
Chairman ng Philippine Rotary Concerns Forum.
Right. Si PDG Connie Beltran.
Yung ating Vice Chairman for Metro Manila.
Si PDG Penny Policarpio.
Ang ating Secretary.
Si PDG Boy Balye.
Ang ating Auditor.
Si PDG Tess Navales.
Ang ating Vice Chair for Visayas and Mindanao.
PDG James Macasyar.
Ang ating Director na Chairman ng Joint Induction.
PDG sino pa ba
Yung classmate mo si Perok.
Si
Hindi natin
Perok.
I'm sure one of these days makikita rin natin.
Yeah,
yan.
he had a year
Problems,
of medyo mabigat yung mga dinaanan ni PDG Perok sa Visayas, sa Leyte at saka
Sa Ormoc.
Sa Ormoc.
Isa siyang victim ng Typhoon Yolanda.
Tama,
Okay, do you have any parting words, Gob? I'm sure, binati mo kanina, meron ka na naman siguro babatiin. Dahil,
Well, first of all, I would like to thank UNTV for making Rotary a partner of this great endeavor, sharing Rotary with the rest of the world. And of course, I would like to thank PCRG as a force to reckon with in Philippine Rotary. Thank you.
at pasalamatan natin ang Rotary in Action dahil sa binigyan tayong segment, PCRG Corner. Mamimiss natin to dahil tayo malapit na matapos sa ating termino. At I'm sure this is something na it should be continued by the next board.
Of course, they will always invite us, Gov, naman siguro.
Okay, maraming salamat our treasurer, Gov. Dennis, for being with us. And ikumusta mo ako sa ating napakagandang si Lady Angie.
And of course, to Zenny. Good evening, Zenny.
Ayan, nanonood yun. At yan po, kasambahay ang ating PCRG Corner ngayong gabi. Stay with us. Magbabalik po ang Rotary in Action.